Hi everyone, in this video I will like to show you that how you can create a YouTube thumbnail size resolution on your Pixlr Photo Editor. So first you have to open up your Pixlr Photo Editor onto your browser and then just click on the create new option and then you can select your resolution. So after that just click on the file option you are seeing on the top left hand, and once you click on that you will see the option of the new image. Click on that and here in the recommended section you will see the thumb, which is the 720p, which is the resolution of 1280x720px. So you have to select this because this is the YouTube thumbnail size resolution. Then simply click on the create. You can also name your image. Once you click on the create here, as you can see, it is the YouTube thumbnail size resolution. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please like it because this is the only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.